Hello, we are going to go into a bird dog. A bird dog, if you've never encountered one before, is basically a dead bug, just in a quadruped position. Or what would you call that? Not quadruped. 6 points of contact. Hands, knees, toes. Okay? Easy enough setup. Hands under my shoulders, knees under my hips. Lengthen my spine. Toes are tucked. Again, if my toes are tucked, I can do things with toes tucked. My toes are flat, hopefully you can see. If my toes are flat, I can't push, I can't pull, I can't really do much with them. Okay? Tuck those toes. I can push, I can create stability. It's a useful point of contact now. Alright, from here, I get strong in my belly. Length from my spine, from crown to tail, from tail to crown. And I go opposite arm, opposite leg. But better yet, this is a great place to start here. Sending that heel straight back. Straight back. Straight back. What you will see more often than not, you will see the scorpion. You'll see the heel go up to the ceiling. I ask why? Why extend your low back? Why drive your heel to where the wall meets the ceiling? Why extend your low back? Nay, nay. Keep that tail tucked. Keep that spine and trunk nice and braced. And drive that heel directly through the wall behind you. Directly through the wall behind you. Again, that leg should be parallel to the floor. Parallel to the floor. Once this is easy enough, again, appreciate that weight shift. We go effectively from 6 points of contact down to 4. Okay? When that is easy enough, we go from 6 down to 3. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Again, get strong, get set. Reach and drive. Reach and drive. Always pulling my toes up to my nose, my shoelaces up to my faces. That is our bird dog. Again, very similar to the dead bug in the fact that we are trying to create a solid trunk and move our limbs off of that freely. Alright? 10 reps, or 5 each side is a great place to start. Feel free to build that up. Feel free to pause at the top. Feel free just to work with that leg drive back before you get into anything too crazy. Thank you very much.